Good morning. Good morning, Betty. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. Yourself?
Excellent. I'm doing really well. Thank you.
That's
Thanks
good.
so much for letting us in your home today. We really appreciate it. It's always fun to come out and talk to people who are going to be the end users of our product. Today we're going to be installing SOFIHUB into your home. This is SOFIHUB. Welcome. This is a new member of the family. Hopefully you'll see it that way when we progress. SOFIHUB is ambient assisted living technology. We basically have designed a product that monitors movement in a non-invasive way. Our goal is to make sure that you're up and about every day without the need of somebody coming and knocking on your door and disturbing you. So as we get older, I think it's important for people to feel that they have, peace of mind every day. And what SOFIHUB hopefully will do is give you that. The way we work is simple. We put 8 of these little sensors around the house, and they will monitor when you are moving around. We will know if you've entered a room, we will know when you've exited a room, and that tells us via an online portal whether everything is okay. There's 3 key things that SOFIHUB is looking for day to day. One is what time you're going to bed. Are you going to bed at a normal hour, an hour that suits you, that you're used to? What time you're getting up? And lastly, how long you spend looking so beautiful in the morning in the bathroom. And for us, those 3 things, if we can monitor that, we're going to know then that you're going to be okay. So let's imagine you go to bed between, say, 11 and 12 at night. That's fine. You get up between, say, 7 and 8. That's fine. SOFIHUB will notice that, and it will record that on our portal, but it won't do anything because you've stayed within those parameters. Let's say we spend, say, 30 minutes to 45 minutes in the morning getting ready for the day in the bathroom. We'll notice that as well. If for whatever reason you go beyond that time in the bathroom, SOFIHUB will notice it and will say, hey, is everything okay? If it is, please come and press this button on the top to let me know you're okay. Now that's great, because what we need to do is make sure that you're okay day to day. If you can't get to the unit, it's going to ask you to do that again. If on the 3rd time you don't actually get to the unit, what will happen is SOFIHUB will send a message to your carers via email or SMS, letting them know that you've been in the bathroom a little bit longer than normal. Perhaps it makes sense to drop by or give you a call. So how does that sound?
Good.
Excellent. The other thing that we're able to do is give you a little bit of a nudge every day with some reminders. Now, we do it in a nice way. Don't worry, we're going to do it in a nice way. We're all getting older, whether we like it or not, and we do forget things. So we may remind you that it's bin night. We might remind you that you have a guest coming at a particular time. Maybe you're going out at a time, or maybe it's somebody's birthday. We can have all of those reminders cycling through day to day, week to week, month to month, depending on what you need. And then most important, if you're living on your own for a while, have you been living on your own for a little while?
Yes.
Okay, if you're living on your own for a little while, you probably have certain routines that you have to do every single day. Now, when you're here on your own, sometimes you might forget. Now, if one of those routines might be medication, it's very important that we don't forget that. So are you taking medication every single day?
Yes.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll set up a couple of reminders on SOFIHUB to just sort of give you a little nudge in the morning. Morning, it's 9 o'clock, don't forget to take your medication today. What we'll also do is we'll put one of these sensors in your medicine cabinet. So we'll actually know when you've gone to the medicine cabinet. We'll record that on our system. So any of your carers day to day can look at that system online and be able to see that you've accessed your medicine at these various times. So really it just comes down to being able to just keep an eye on you with actually not being here and not interfering with you day to day. How does that sound?
Good.
Okay, so we're going to get started now. We're going to start to put up these sensors up on the wall. We have 8 of these, so we tend to put these around in kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room, medicine cabinet, as I've mentioned, and then a couple of other places. So let's get started on that.
Good.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is place a sensor by the kitchen door to monitor Betty coming in and out of this room. And simply this just sticks onto the wall with double-sided adhesive that comes with the unit. You'll also notice here I have a cover on this sensor. Why a cover? Well, Betty shares her home with a beautiful cat that we've yet to meet. Now, what we don't want is the cat triggering this sensor every time she or he, is it a she or a he? Every time she comes into the kitchen for some food. So we put a little sensor here, a cover I should say, which will block the sensor looking at the floor. So now what we've done is actually place a sensor in the area where Betty keeps all of her medicine. Whilst it's not inside a cabinet, it's actually just sitting here on a wall. Why? Because Betty keeps everything here on this shelf. We've added a trigger cover to narrow down the field of movement. So when Betty's hand goes through this field, we will actually monitor that and record it, indicating that Betty's taken her medication, or at least been in the vicinity. Okay, sensors have been placed around the house, which is great. We've placed them in all of the general areas. SOFIHUB is living here in the lounge room, which is great. Now I'm going to ask Betty a couple of questions. And these are the routines that Betty has every day for us to set SOFIHUB up and for us to know exactly what's accepted and what's not. Okay, Betty, got to ask you a few questions now. So unfortunately, there's no prizes. There's no wrong answer or right answer. It's just an answer. Maybe we'll get you a box of chocolates later. We'll see how we go. Alrighty, so what I need to ask is, what time do you go to bed at night?
About 11 o'clock.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to set the system up to expect you to go to bed, say, between 10:30 and midnight. How does that sound?
Good.
Okay, so I'll do that. Nice and simple. Now I'm doing this for those people who aren't looking at my laptop, which is everyone who's watching this video. I'm doing this via our online portal. Now, one of the great things about SOFIHUB is that we have this back-end portal that allows you to adjust everything that's going on in a very, very easy way to do. Okay, so you said 10:30 to midnight, so we're popping that in, nice and simple. So I'm going to save that. What time do you wake up in the morning?
About 7.
About 7, alrighty. And would you ever, if we put it between, say, 7 and 8, would that be fair?
Fair enough.
Yeah, if you're entertaining the night before, you might be in bed a little bit later. Would that be right?
No.
No? All right. Well, there you go. Let's put it at 7:30 then. We definitely know you're going to be okay, all right? I'm an early riser too. It's the best time of the day. Absolutely. Okay, so we're saving that in. And then in the morning, when we're getting ready in the bathroom, normally we suggest that we set this at around 45 minutes. How does that sound to you?
Plenty of time.
That is plenty of time. Some of us were born beautiful, you see, so we don't need a lot of time. Wouldn't that be right? Good stuff. So let's set that in at 45 minutes, nice and simple. All right, so now SOFIHUB knows what to look for in those routines, and they're the key parts of what we're going to do. Okay, let's talk about notifications. And I guess for me, more so reminders. Let's think about what we want to remind you day to day. Now, do you have bins that go out once a week?
Yes.
Okay, and what day do they go out?
They go out for Sunday.
They go out on a Sunday for pickup on a Monday. Right. So what I'm going to do is put in a little reminder that it's, say, 6 o'clock on a Sunday evening. SOFIHUB says, don't forget it's bin night tonight. How's that?
Good.
All right, so I'll just put that in. All righty. Okay, and that's saved. Good. What else is happening in the week for you? Do you have visitors coming over each week? Do you go out and about?
Carol mainly.
Yeah.
But most of them all work.
Okay. So anything that's scheduled in Monday to Friday, would you have a cleaner pop in or nothing like that? No. Alrighty, so let's leave that. And how about we put one in for the cat? Do we let the cat in and out during the day?
No, she looks after herself.
Well, you've got a great life. There's not a lot to remind you about, which is really good.
No, well, the kitchen door is propped for the cat, so
Yep.
And if she can't get out, she'll come in here and tap me on the leg and let me know she wants to go out.
Okay, well for now we'll leave it at just that reminder. The great thing about our system is that any of the nominated carers that are a part of this system, part of Betty's system, have the ability to add reminders as they go. So what I'd like to do is probably add in birthdays and various and anniversaries and things like that. And we can do that at a later date, but that's very, very easy to do and nice and simple. In terms of medication then, we also want to let you know that you've got medication reminders. Now, if you can remember, when we were setting up out there, we put a little sensor near where your medication is. So every time you go to that, it's going to register. So do you take medication more than once a day?
No, I take it all in the morning.
All in the morning, okay. And do you take that when you get up first of all?
Yes, mainly with my breakfast.
Okay, so if we said, how about a reminder, say around 8:30, just sort of saying, have you taken your medication today? Would that suit?
Good.
Okay, let's put that in. So nice and simple. And again, we can adjust this on the fly as required. Okay, so that reminder is in, nice and simple. Okay, a couple other reminders I was thinking of. How about, I'm terrible. I forget to actually drink water. I don't drink enough. I drink a lot of bad things, but I forget water. So how about we put something in for you to say maybe every day at around 2 or 3 o'clock, we suggest that you have a glass of water. That makes sense. That keeps us all healthy. So I'll add that in. And we'll just put that in as what we call a time-based reminder. Now, a time-based reminder simply occurs every day, a single day, once a week, whatever it might be. We also have the ability to do proximity reminders. So the option would be if we wanted to remind Betty every time she walked into the kitchen between 2 and 3 to have a glass of water, we could also set it up that way. So let's do that. Now, one of the other features I think you might like, a little birdie told me that when you're using the phone sometimes that you forget to put it on the hook. Now, so no one else can ring you later. Now, that could be a good plan on your side so that you don't get disturbed, or it could be just something that you need to be reminded to do. So one of our great features is that if that happens and one of our carers realizes that they can't get through to Betty on the phone, they have the ability via the portal or via the app on their cell phone to be able to type a message in that will be then vocalized by SOFIHUB. So, hi, I think you forgot to put the phone on the hook. Can you go and check it for me, please? That will then pop up on this, and Betty will be able to then go and check and see whether the phone has been put on the hook. So that's pretty much it when it comes to SOFIHUB in terms of setting the unit up internally. Very easy. Out of the box, plugged in, sensors go up on the wall, and then we have a chat about what reminders we need, whether they're day-to-day or medication. The next thing that we're going to do is actually add in who your carers are going to be. Now, your carers are usually just family members who basically want to keep an eye on you, make sure that you're safe. So we'll go through that process, and simply, when we don't need to do that on camera, but simply what happens is we will get a name and email address, and we put that into our system. That carer then becomes nominated to look after Betty as such. They will get an email. That email will have a link inside, and when they click on that link, they'll have the ability then to be able to see this portal and actually add in notifications, reminders, etc. Okay, so now I've turned occupancy mode on in SOFIHUB. This allows me make sure that the sensors are functioning correctly. So I'm going to walk into a couple of the rooms, and we should be able to hear SOFIHUB tell me where I am in the home. Into the kitchen.
Now in kitchen.
Walking into the bathroom now.
Now in bathroom.
Walking towards the bedroom.
Now in bedroom.
And now I'm going to access the medicine cabinet.
Access medication.
Okay, well, we're all done, Betty. That was fun, and it didn't take too long. I think it took about 20 minutes or so to set up and get it where it needs to be. I'm really excited to hear how you go. I think SOFIHUB is going to be a fun companion in the home. I look forward to catching up with you again in a few weeks, and we'll have a chat and see how it's gone.
And I thank you very much for all the work you've done for me.
You're very welcome.